How to see previous Discord server you joined. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To see the previous Discord server you joined, you can follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your Discord application in your device. Ensure that you are logged in into your account. Now over here, head back from here, then click on the U icon that is at the bottom of your screen. At the top right corner, you will see the setting gear icon, tap on it. From here, under account settings, click on privacy and safety. Scroll down to the very bottom where you will see the option of request all of my data. You need to tap on this and tap on request my data. In the dialog box, it has mentioned it might take up to 30 days to collect your data. However, it might be lesser days as well. Once the file is ready, a notification will be sent via your email and you can easily download the file and see all of the previously joined server of your Discord. So this is how you can see your Discord servers that you joined in the past. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.